Two Mates, what's going on? It's your boy Big Vic, the bearded brother. What's going on? Time to upgrade. So you guys know me, you know, on the channel. I've had great success and I've had great failures when dealing with my beard. So I decided to upgrade my arsenal. I'm tired of having to reset my beard. Decided to stop being cheap and decided to upgrade and go ham. Y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is? Need some nut. But that's not what we're here for. Self-cut system. Perfect self-grooming. Perfecting self-grooming. It's fragile. It's got a carrying case, but you see the... Damn. It just popped right on out. Okay. Glad I didn't try to lift that like that, but okay. Let me... Okay. All right, there we go. Bam. Be careful because it's fragile. Let's pop this open. So that foam. This is what why they popped out. This popped out of this little tab that keeps it. Never mind, we don't need that. We're gonna move it out the way. So we got our hooks. Let's go over the door. And in the foam to keep it suspended from breaking. We have the actual self-cut system. Wrapped in plenty of bubble wrap. This is wrapped in that foam to protect the mirrors. Okay. That's dope. So let's open this up. Upside down. That's the right way. So you have 3 mirrors. See right here. Shining and blinging. And do that. Oh, did I fall the right way? Okay, no. This one, left goes in first. Then right, on top. So you have your 3 mirrors. Got your back piece, the hook is supposed to go on. Pretty decent construction on it. The edges are a little sharp. Or they're noticeable. I wouldn't say they're sharp, but it's rather noticeable. Let's see if we put these hooks on real quick. Should be easy. Not much fanfare. Dang. And I'm going to hang it up and see what it looks like. Alright. So, I guess you can fold this out. Depends on what you need. So you got some adjustability. What's that? It's about 2 feet. Roughly. Some adjustability going on right there. But, okay, I don't think you can put that on. Okay, here you go. So, from what I'm seeing, check that one out. I'm going to do this in real time. We're going to do it on this door. Let me readjust everything. Alright, people, we're back in. So we got the hooks up there, and then you got the hooks on the back. So you can kind of place this where you need to go. Really short right here. I'm probably going to be right by here. So this might be a choice. So it looks like it has a little bit of slack, so you can kind of lift up and find the guide hole. The guide per se. Alright, now bring these together a little bit. Actually, I need to come up one more. It's like right in my chest. hold it close to the top of the edge and feel for the holes. I wouldn't assume that you got it because it's all glass. So, except for the back. The back is like I feel like it might be fiberboard. But you don't want all three of these breaking. So yeah, oh man. So if I'm doing, that's dope. That's dope. Okay, so see if we can help you see what I'm seeing. As tall as it gets, man. As tall as it goes. There you go. So what I'm seeing, I can get a really good angle. Oh man, I can get almost a perfect angle. Do like this. Oh man, bruh. All right. So real quick, get you one. If you are a DIYer, you do your own beard, or in between lineups and your barber appointments, or if you know it's gonna be a few weeks, get this. Get this. All right, you gotta take care of it. Make sure your kids don't get to it, but get this, cause man, the possibilities. You can get up here, you can really see your beard. Like you can put this in the bathroom and have it on the door, and this is face back in the mirror. So if you like me and you're bald and you're trying to check to see if you got any bald spots left, I can see the back of my neck, see where I missed a spot. I'll show you last time. I can turn this way and see the back of my head, bruh. I've been tripping. I should have been at this. So yeah, get you this. And you know we're gonna do a video next video with the self-cut system. I'm gonna be using the cut buddy, bevel trimmers, and we're gonna be putting all the work, putting it all together, putting it at work, and we're gonna see what we can do. Get it back. It might be a couple weeks because I'm gonna let this grow in as much as possible. But yeah, we're gonna get it right and tight. We're gonna get it right and tight. Peace and blessings. I say.